G'day everyone, Jake Phillips here, Breed Development Officer with Angus Australia. Well, I've got some exciting news. Together with our friends and partners at ACMEA Australia, I'm proud to announce that the ACMEA GenAngus Future Leaders Program is back for 2021, running between the 2nd and the 4th of November in Adelaide in South Australia. The ACMEA GenAngus Future Leaders Program is fast becoming a date in the calendar not to be missed, and considered by many to be perhaps the jewel in the crown of the expansive list of scholarships, awards and bursaries that Angus youth are able to provide with support from the Angus Foundation. The ACMEA GenAngus Future Leaders Program is a 3-day intensive program that has topics covered from some of Australia's leading presenters on things important to your business. Things such as mindset, finance fundamentals, risk and liability, insurance, marketing and communication, breeding and genetics, succession and resilience, and much, much more. Not to mention, over the 3 days, the fantastic opportunity to network with like-minded people and build a partnership that will last a lifetime. If you're an Angus Australia member aged between 18 and 40 years of age, we would encourage you to apply. Angus Australia, with support from the Angus Foundation, are proud to offer 10 positions to Angus Australia members for 2021, with the recipient receiving the course fees, accommodation and meals during the 3-day event fully covered. If you would like more information or to apply, please visit the Angus Australia website, keep a sharp eye on the social media channels, or give me a call, Jake Phillips at Angus Australia. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.